So guys, this YouTube channel with over 400,000 subscribers tells biblical stories, and it earns an estimated $50,000 plus per year just in YouTube AdSense revenue. Or what about this YouTube history channel with almost 90,000 subscribers that also earns an estimated $20,000 per year in AdSense revenue? Guys, you can find all kinds of examples of these educational, story-driven channels on YouTube that are pulling in impressive numbers while making absolute bank. But you guys want to know the crazy part? These channels and videos are 100% AI generated, and they're actually using a powerful tool that creates ready-to-publish YouTube videos with just basic text prompting. And so guys, if you've ever wanted to make money with AI-powered faceless YouTube channels, this is definitely the video for you. And that's because in today's video, I'll be showing you guys the step-by-step process to creating these sorts of captivating, viral-worthy videos without doing any filming yourself. And I'll also be sharing some critical tips at the end of the video to help you monetize these channels while also staying safe from bans. I'm super excited for this one. It's a very interesting side hustle. You don't want to miss it. Let's get to it. But really quickly guys, just a little disclaimer like I put in these videos. Everything I'm sharing today is based on my own personal testing and research experiences as someone who has been creating YouTube content since about 2020 and who researches side hustles every single day. Results aren't guaranteed here. I can't make any promises, but I do think this is a very cool way to leverage AI to launch YouTube channels and to create faceless content, and I think you guys will enjoy. And so guys, I'll cut right to the chase and share the AI-powered platform that tons of YouTube creators out there are using to scale these kinds of channels right now. And that tool is called Magiclight AI. And this AI-powered platform helps creators turn text into long-form, story-driven videos with consistent characters and flexible styles. It's also the tool that was used to create the videos I showed you in the intro, and guys, Magiclight is really the industry leader here. Magiclight actually has over 3 million monthly active users, and it's really one of the best ways to create storytelling content and explainer videos just by using text prompts. Now, I've been interested in creating faceless content for a long time. I have my talking head channels on YouTube, but I've always been interested by this side hustle, so I decided to sign up for Magiclight to learn how it all works. And let me hop into my dashboard and show you guys just how easy this workflow is, and you can copy it yourself. So guys, you can actually sign up for Magiclight for free with your email or Google account, and I'll be linking them down below in the description box and pinned comment if you want to check them out. Now, once you're logged in, you see quite a few options on your home screen, including story to video, kids story to video, and Magiclaw, which is basically a creative assistant that can create images, videos, and help you brainstorm different story ideas and narratives. Magiclight also has some pre-built templates for popular formats like religious stories, explainer videos, character vlogs, and more. Now guys, for the first example, I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to create explainer videos with Magiclight, because this is something that anyone can do, and it has never been easier to launch your own YouTube channel using this kind of strategy. All you need to do is click on explainer video to get started. Magiclight then has a couple of options for you to fill out. You basically have to enter your story topic and prompt for what you want the explainer video to be about. You also pick the animation style you want for the video, and Magiclight has tons of options, which is pretty nice, so you can brand your channel the way you want. Next, you pick the aspect ratio and video duration, the language, and the AI model you want to use for the story, and then you pick the voiceover artist and background music. And really, there's a couple of cool things I want to highlight here about this workflow. And really, the first is that you can create videos up to 30 minutes long, which is absolutely insane because these kind of explainer videos can rank really well on YouTube when they're done correctly. The fact you can choose different languages is also awesome, so you're not just limited to English. And what's awesome is that Magiclight lets you use models like GPT 5.4 and other latest LLMs from Gemini and Claude. But anyways, guys, I decided to make a 1-minute explainer video on a history topic I think could go viral, and that topic is how English longbowmen trained to become the best and most feared archers in all of Europe. Now, if you've read any history books or seen some movies or played games like Age of Empires, then you absolutely know what I'm talking about, but I think this is a pretty niche history topic that could still go viral if it hits the right audience and is done correctly. But to get started, I just went over to ChatGPT and asked it to write a good prompt about this topic for me to feed to Magiclight. It generated a pretty comprehensive prompt, including the full 60-second script walkthrough, and I gave this right to Magiclight and picked realistic as the style. From there, Magiclight gets to work on creating my first video. And so first, Magiclight shows you a ton of characters that you can use within your video. And since this is a history video, I actually entered the keyword history and ended up picking this British historian looking guy who will be good for the video. I named him Burnaby, and I also changed his accent to a British accent since Magiclight has a bunch of accents for you to choose from. Now for the next step, Magiclight is going to actually start creating a storyboard for this video concept. This can take a couple of minutes of processing time, and Magiclight is basically looking at the prompt you gave it, crafting a compelling storyboard that will hook your viewers, and then putting all of the magic together. Now, as you can see here, Magiclight breaks my Longbowman story into 12 unique shots for the storyboard that fits inside 1 minute of runtime. And what's nice is that you can go to each section of the storyboard and see the specific prompt used to create the assets. So if there's something you don't like, you can easily tweak the prompt and have Magiclight regenerate that particular visual. Scrolling through, the storyboard looks pretty great out of the box and walks through the process of English Longbowman training from a young age, and then shares how devastating they were on the battlefield. Now, I recommend spending some time looking at the storyboard, but if everything looks good to you after a bit of tweaking or even out of the box, you just have to click the next button. You can then choose to animate every section of the storyboard, which is definitely what I recommend. And this is how you get a polished, ready to post video you can upload right away. Now, you can also leave some of the storyboard as static images and just animate other sections, but again, I recommend animating the whole thing because I think it really brings the whole video concept together. But anyways, guys, I had Magiclight create my entire English Longbowman explainer video, and let me play it for you guys here so you can see how it came out.
A longbow creaks under immense tension as a soldier prepares for the coming dawn battle. Arrows darken the sky like a storm. How did English Longbowmen become so truly deadly? It began in childhood, as young boys learned the weight of the yew-wood bow. Fathers taught their sons the perfect stance, emphasizing discipline and the necessity of constant repetition. Weekly practice was the law of the land, turning simple village boys into focused marksmen. Targets splintered under the force of heavy arrows, driven by years of relentless daily training. Calloused fingers and strained muscles told the story of a life dedicated to the bow. Drawing a 100-pound bow required immense strength, forged through years of grueling physical conditioning. Every archer mastered his posture, ensuring that each shot was delivered with lethal, calculated precision. On the field, they stood in perfect formation, firing volleys that rained death from above. Their coordination was unmatched, turning the tide of history with every single release of string. A lone bow stands in the earth. Decades of training created these legendary warriors of England.
So as you guys can see, the video came out pretty decent. It's smooth, it has the right accent, the storyboard actually flows, and I think it does a good job of actually hooking in the viewer and then actually doing a good job of explaining how English Longbowmen became the best archers in all of Europe. And guys, you can find other examples of this exact kind of explainer content on YouTube that's ranking and pulling in tons of views every single day. And what's really insane to me about this entire workflow is this just takes some creative thinking, finding a niche, and then some basic prompting using Magiclight. Again, it really blows my mind how easy this is, and you can do this for pretty much any niche out there. Again, it just takes basic prompting, so anyone can give this a try. And so again, this is just the explainer content, but there are tons of other assets you can create with Magiclight. Like I mentioned earlier, Magiclight has the popular Bible stories format, which makes it easy to turn classic biblical stories into highly engaging animated videos. And this is how a ton of successful channels have started out. I'll show you guys a few of the existing templates here as well, and you can see that Magiclight has tons of pre-existing formats you can leverage, just with your own unique stories and ideas. Again, guys, in my opinion, this is really one of the easiest ways to begin creating faceless content on YouTube, and I love how beginner-friendly it is. Now, there's one more advantage to using something like Magiclight that I want to cover really quickly, and that's character consistency. And so Magiclight actually has a character section where you can find high-performing character assets to use in your videos over and over again. And this is actually huge because when you're creating faceless content, and if you're not going to be the face and brand of your channel, you want to use recognizable assets and kind of build up a brand over time that your audience comes to recognize and actually look for when they're scrolling through YouTube. And so scrolling through, you can see there's all kinds of high quality characters and ones for a bunch of different niches and styles as well. And you can actually use these characters in your own content once you're signed up with Magiclight. And what's also cool about this is that there's a monetization aspect of this through Magiclight's asset store. And that's because Magiclight just rolled out the Creator Asset Rewards program. And this program is paying creators who build awesome assets that other members of the Magiclight AI community end up using. And what's cool is that how much you earn with this program purely depends on how many credits other users use to generate content using your assets. So it's very transparent and fair. This new program is also open to everyone, so you don't need a massive follower or to be some kind of famous creator. Anyone can try it out. Now again, this is more niche, it's a more interesting way to make money with Magiclight, and it would be for the asset designers out there, but I wanted to mention it because it's a new feature and I thought it was pretty cool. But anyways, guys, let's talk about actually launching your channel and how you go from creating videos with Magiclight to actually publishing them on YouTube. Well, really, guys, once you get familiar with Magiclight and you start pumping out content, going live on YouTube is very simple. I mean, to get started, you create your YouTube channel for free, and then you can easily make your channel logo and banner with something like ChatGPT or Grok. I mean, here's the channel logo and banner I created for my new History Explainer channel, and all of this took about 1 minute. Now from there, you can enter your channel name and then some basic details like what your channel is about. And guys, I really suggest not overthinking this part. You can change your channel name in the future, you can tweak the description. It's important just to get some videos out there and to get practicing so this becomes like second nature and you're publishing YouTube videos all the time. Now, once you enter your basic channel details, you have your logo and your banner, you can upload your first video from Magiclight. Now this step is also super easy, but you'll want to think of a catchy title for your video that people want to click on. You should also describe what your video is about and use timestamps so people can skip to sections they're interested in. Again, guys, all of this is super simple. Now, as for the thumbnail for your videos, you can just pick a moment in your video that looks interesting and use that as your first thumbnail. Alternatively, you can go to ChatGPT or Grok once again and actually tell it to make a YouTube thumbnail for the exact video topic that you're uploading. I've actually done this all the time on some of my niche channels, and honestly, AI tools have gotten so good at making YouTube thumbnails. With some basic prompting, you can get something that is absolutely perfect for your new channel. And really what I want to highlight here is that all of this entire workflow can take a couple of minutes from thinking of your first video idea to creating it with Magiclight and to actually posting it on YouTube. Honestly, this is why AI is so cool, and it's crazy to me that stuff that used to take days or weeks to do, you can now do in minutes. It is actually mind-blowing. Now, I will say, don't expect to go viral overnight, especially not with your first few videos, and results aren't guaranteed like I said in the intro, so it's important to have some realistic expectations here. But honestly, if you can commit to just creating one video a day with Magiclight and do this for 30 days, it is insane what can happen once you get a channel off of the ground. And really what I like about Magiclight is that your potential is honestly just capped by your creativity, your prompting, and how consistent you are. Because if you keep putting out content, eventually something will take off and you'll learn what works and you'll focus on scaling that channel. But anyways, guys, that's basically the workflow for how you can go from idea to actual live video by using Magiclight and get your first faceless channel off of the ground. But really quickly, I just want to talk about monetization because it can be a little bit tricky with these kinds of channels to monetize if you're not doing things right. And really the first tip is that you have to get creative with your prompting and you have to really go in depth and create content that is valuable and that people actually want to watch. There is nothing wrong with creating faceless AI generated content and posting it online. But when you're just creating AI slop that is the same as all of the other AI slop out there, you're not going to get monetized because you're not creating valuable content that actually adds value to the world and brightens people's day. And the second really important tip is that it's important to be transparent and to actually mark your content as being generated by AI. You can actually do this when you're uploading content right to YouTube. And again, don't try and hide the fact, don't pretend you're animating your stuff if you're not. Don't try and lie about the fact you're using AI. Be transparent and be upfront, and your audience and YouTube will certainly appreciate it. And finally, in regards to monetization, I'll also say don't be scared of exploring other options out there besides the YouTube Partner Program. There are actually tons of ways to make money on YouTube just besides running ads, and honestly, affiliate income is the perfect example. I mean, for something like a History Explainer channel, plugging in history books from Amazon using the Amazon affiliate program is a no-brainer. And you can probably find tons of other affiliate offers too for different niches to explore. You can also explore plenty of other options like looking at paid membership communities or selling some kind of digital product. I mean, that first channel I shared on Bible stories also runs a paid school community that's $249 per year. And they have paying members, so it shows what's possible when you get creative. But again, guys, the number one rule is make sure you create valuable content that people actually want to watch, and make sure you stay consistent because consistency is really key when it comes to scaling a YouTube business. But okay, guys, let's wrap up this video by talking about pricing because I showed you how simple the Magiclight workflow is, and you're probably wondering, how much does Magiclight cost? Well, what's cool is that Magiclight actually has a free plan you can use to try it out to see how the workflow actually functions. But you'll want to upgrade to unlock all of its features and enough credits to animate some cool videos. Now, Magiclight has numerous plans starting as low as $7.50 per month when you pay annually for the standard plan, or $15 per month for this plan if you pay monthly. And guys, this gets you more than enough credits to start actually creating videos and to posting on YouTube, and then you can scale your plan and your credit usage as you need. And what I really like about AI tools is that a single video getting views and growing your channel can easily cover the cost of paying for something like Magiclight. And so I really think Magiclight is a no-brainer for anyone making faceless videos right now. And guys, again, this is way faster and way cheaper than doing this yourself or trying to hire someone on Fiverr to create these videos for you. And this is why I love AI. It's removing barriers to entry and anyone can try out this workflow. But anyways guys, I hope this Magiclight tutorial and review has been helpful if you're looking to make faceless channels and you want to start building a YouTube channel, but you don't really know how it works. Honestly, I think this is one of the coolest AI-powered workflows I've stumbled across, and I also think YouTube is one of the platforms with the most potential for 2026 and beyond, so I just love this pairing. I think this is a super cool side hustle, and I really hope you guys like it as well. Again, results aren't guaranteed like I said in the intro, but if you want to create faceless channels, I really think Magiclight is the best tool out there for the job. So again, I'll be linking them down below and in the description box if you want to check them out. I'd also love to know what you think. Are you going to be launching a faceless channel? Have you tried this side hustle before? Are you going to skip this one? You can let me know down in the comments. That really does it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching and for all of the support. It really does mean a lot. I hope you have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.